By popular demands, I'll be teaching you how to make soya beans powder in the comfort of your home. So if you're interested in learning how to make this soya beans powder that is very important for bodybuilding, keep on watching. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's hijereel on your screen with a new video. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please do not leave here without subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on the post notification bell so you do not miss out in future videos. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make soya beans powder in your home. Now this is my soya beans bought in the local market. I am picking out the dirt from the soya beans, and after picking out the dirt, I proceed to wash the soya beans. Now this is me showing you what the washed soya beans looks like. You need to wash it to remove dirt. Now to make the soya beans powder in your home, you need to roast it. Okay, so I'm going to be roasting the soybeans powder in this wide pan, and I'm just tossing it around to make sure that the soybeans is properly roasted. And when your soybeans is properly roasted, you will see the shells begin to fall off on its own. Okay, the peel will begin to fall off. That's when you know that your soybeans is well cooked. So I'm going to be tossing it around the pan. The pan has fire burning underneath. Okay, so I did this process with the aid of my mother. She was helping me roast the soybeans. Now soybeans has a lot of benefit, numerous health benefit. It's very good ingredient, a powerful ingredient when you're making body enhancement products and weight gain products. Okay, it's a key ingredient. That is why you see me making the soya beans. I use it in my product all the time. After roasting, I proceed to the flour mill, and this is what the processed soya beans looks like. Soya beans is a plant-based crop that is rich in phytoestrogen, and phytoestrogen are estrogens gotten from plants. Soya beans contains high amounts of isoflavones, which are unique phytoestrogens that resemble the female sex hormone estrogen. So that is why it's a key ingredient in making body enhancement products, in making weight gain products. I'll be listing other benefits of soy on the screen so that you know what you're signing up for when you begin to take soy. Soya beans are composed of mainly protein and other good amounts of calories, water, protein, sugar, carbs, fiber, and fat. So when you begin to take soya beans, it's just going to better your life in 1000 ways. I'll be listing out the health benefits of ingesting soya beans. And yes, so this is my soy powder processed in my home. Except me going to the flour mill and going to the market to purchase the raw soya beans, I didn't do anything else outside my house. So this is a soya beans, very easy to make in the comfort of your home. And know that babies can take this, adults can take this. I've shared a video on how I use this, I incorporate this in my body enhancement products. I think in the future I'll share a video of how babies can use this as well to gain weight. All right, it can be used in baby's food, adults can eat it. It's very good for everybody. And this is me packaging the soya beans because I need to package it so that air doesn't get into it, and this will serve me for a very long time. I love soya beans. In my house we eat it so much, so that is why I always have to have soya beans. And also I use it to make my product. It's a key ingredient, it's a core ingredient in making my body enhancement product and weight gain product. All right, so I'm packing it away to prevent air from getting into it. And here you have it, very easy, very simple, very healthy and nutritional ingredient to have in your home, in your kitchen. It is very good, I promise you. All right, try this at home, let me know if you did. If you're watching till this point, you're the real MVP. Make sure to like this video and comment below. I love to read your comments. Yeah, so this is me still packaging the soybeans. I never get tired of eating soybeans. It is very good. Now if you undergo my trainings, you will know that I always have soybeans in my recipe. Okay, it is a must-have in my body enhancement recipe, and only those that I train will understand better why I use this. Okay, so if you want to enroll for my training, I'm open to train you on body enhancement product, on weight gain product, on anything skincare and enhancement in general. Okay, Now I also sell this my product. Feel free to hit me on the number you see in the screen, and place your orders for your body enhancement products. My product work, they are authentic, they are 100% powerful, and you will have very good testimonies after using my product. Now we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please do well to give it a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you do not miss out on future videos. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.